Hello, my name's Fiona from Snowy Monaro Regional Library, and today I'm going to be making slime. First one I'm going to make, and that uses 1/4 cup of this Elmer's School Glue. So I've got my 1/4 cup measure, I'll fill it up, put it in to there, put in a few drops of food colouring. This one I'm going to make blue. Then we put in 1/4 cup of warm water. It's got to be warm. And we mix that together, and isn't it a lovely vibrant blue colour? And when that's all mixed more or less together, we add the secret ingredient. Now the secret ingredient is a mixture of Dynamo laundry liquid and Sard laundry liquid as well. You used to be able to buy it together, now you can't, so you have to mix it yourself. I find the best formula is 1 cup of Dynamo to 1/4 cup of Sard, but in the end you only use 1/8 cup to add to your slime. And you pour that in and start mixing like crazy. And you can see it's starting to bunch together. Keep mixing, and it's getting stickier and stickier, and then it actually starts pulling away from the sides of the bowl. And there we have our slime. Now, a fun thing to do with this, which I just discovered recently, is you can blow bubbles in it. I'm using a bamboo straw. And that's our first slime recipe, and the ingredients will be posted on the website. Now the other slime recipe I'm going to makes one like this. This one's quite reasonably clear. It's called see-through slime, which, it's almost see-through. Apparently, if you leave it sitting for a week, the bubbles all rise to the top and disappear completely. So that's kind of fun. With this one, it's totally different ingredients. We use half a teaspoon of sodium bicarb, 120 mils of warm water to that, and 140 mils of clear glue. I like the Elmer's again, but it doesn't have to be for this one. Now this bottle's more or less 140 mils. And for this one I'm going to make it a little more interesting and add some glitter. So we're going to get glittery slime. So I'll mix all that together for a start, and the ingredient that makes it all come together in this one is eye wash. I use the Optrex eye wash. It has to contain boric acid and sodium borate, so otherwise it won't work. So just any eye wash won't do. So we pour this in slowly, a bit at a time. And again, mix like crazy. A bit more. About a capful altogether will do it. And you can see again it's starting to come together and get quite solid. I'll put in a little bit more. The more you put in, the more solid it gets. So we don't want it to end up completely solid, but we do want it to be slimy. Now look at that, how quickly it's turning into beautiful glittery slime. A bit more. And there we have it. It's lovely and stretchy, and it's warm because we used warm water, so it feels terrific. The last slime I want to show you is this one, which I think is absolutely lovely. It uses ordinary PVA glue. You don't need to use the Elmer's, and you can use flavouring. I've used lemon, and then I've used some yellow food colouring, and you still need the eye wash and the bicarb, but it makes this lovely smelling, lemon smelling slime. And all the recipes for these slimes will be posted up on the library website. Hope you enjoy making slime. I certainly have. Thank you and goodbye.